Your wish is your command. Real Talk continues the journey of legacy, elevation, and empowerment. The Real Workstation. Create the space. Command the vibe. Every high achiever needs a headquarters. Here's how I level up daily. Laptop connected to the big screen. Dual iPads for multitasking. Wireless mouse in hand. Binaural beats and HZ frequency. Laser focus mode. My bedroom transforms into heaven and hustle HQ. A space where clarity, creativity, my mind and execution come to life. Design a space where you feel powerful. Do not just survive in your environment, thrive in it. Build your dream zone. It is not about having more, it is about doing more with what you have. Stream, save and soar. Elevate without overspending. Need inspiration? Knowledge? A break that adds value? It is all within reach, and it is free. Visit Tubi.com. YouTube. Watch empowering documentaries, classic replays, life-changing interviews, without paying a cent. Use an HDMI cord to turn your TV into your productivity screen. Turn your living room into your vision lab. Save money. Stack wisdom. Stay inspired. Free tools can still manifest melodies, create billionaire brainwaves, and millionaire mindsets. The realest warning you will ever get. Alcohol and the lie of control. Let's be brutally honest. More than 14 drinks a week for men. More than 7 drinks a week for women equals alcoholism. I crossed that line. I woke up in jail. I lost time. Peace. Control. At first, I told myself I was managing it. Then the truth hit. I was drowning in denial. The most dangerous lie. I got this. The most powerful truth. I need help. Once it starts, the spiral does not stop until jail, institutions, or death. It destroys everything, or you break the cycle. Choose truth. Choose life. Choose freedom over the illusion of control. From state championships to sobriety, a legacy rewritten. I am a single father. A 2-time state champion in football and baseball. I have led teams, inspired crowds, then I lost my way. Life hit me with full force, but I did not stay down, I rose with purpose. Now I am building a new kind of victory. A legacy that no one can take away. A legacy of strength, a legacy of clarity, a legacy of elevation. Your past does not define you, your decisions do. Final thought. The wish is you. This is bigger than sobriety. Bigger than credit. Bigger than pain. This is about transformation. This is about becoming the version of yourself that your younger self dreamed of, your family deserves, the world is waiting for. The wish is you. The command is yours. So now I ask you, what will you create? Bonus resource pack. Your personal development toolkit for elevation. Tubi.com, free movies and documentaries. Self.inc. Credit building app for long-term success. Backtrack S35 breathalyzer. Walgreens, stay safe. Stay smart. Your wish is your command.com. The original inspiration series.